Welcome to your Weather on Demand. I'm meteorologist Wesley Williams for UpperMichiganSource.com. Kind of cool yesterday, only had a high of 39, and that's actually below normal. Should have been in the mid-40s. Today's highs are forecast to be in the 40s into the 50s in some areas, so it'll feel a little bit warmer than what we saw yesterday. The cloud cover is around some areas in the eastern UP, but check it out. Hardly any winds around the area right now. That's because high pressure is overhead. You can see that just like yesterday, there's this bank of clouds off to our northeast, and they did manage to filter in across much of the central UP, ruining our sunny forecast for yesterday. And it looks like they could possibly do the same, although I'm seeing some dry air eating away at them from the west. But it is possible for some clouds to mix into our forecast today, even though there is a very cold ridge of high pressure right around our area. You can see 19 at Sawyer, one of the coldest areas other than Kapuskasing, out to our northeast at 18. A lot of warm air ridging out of the south across the plains, and that's clearly illustrated on this map. You notice these white lines here, they're called isobars. They indicate pressure, and when they're really tight together, that means that there's a strong wind, and in this case it's out of the south, so that's fueling a lot of precipitation thanks to a warm front bringing warm air further to the north. But check out our region. You see any tightly compacted white lines? Not really. It's a very relaxed wind around our area, so that'll allow for a lake breeze to develop today, meaning that lakeshore areas will feel a little bit cooler than inland areas because of the lake breeze. Some clouds around today mixing with plenty of sunshine. Then tomorrow, that warm front advances from the west. We'll see a chance of rain late during the night. Here's a look at that with the forecast model. Now, look at these clouds here. If you were watching Predictor 6 yesterday, it did actually show us those clouds. We're listening today. Look how these clouds stick with us to 6 p.m., especially over the eastern half of the UP. That means that it's possible you won't see that much sunshine today either. But after that, we've got sunshine through sunset, and then clear skies overnight in the eastern half of the UP. But then Friday morning, here are the clouds advancing, and Friday evening that's when the rain passes through the area, continuing during the day on Saturday. Highs today from the 40s near the lakeshore to the upper 50s inland, and then tonight cooling things down to the 20s again for the eastern half of the UP, but lows only down to the 33-degree mark in the west because you've got a nice warm fluffy blanket of clouds to keep you from chilling out overnight. Here's a look at the TV 6-day forecast, warming things up on Friday to 60 and then into the 60s on Saturday with a chance of rain. Looks like things cool down after that, and we can see some snowfall. Best chance of snow mixing with rain on Monday.